Click on the link below to get price. In the realm of outdoor furniture, the Purple Leaf Outdoor Barstools set of 2 stands out for its modern design and durable construction. Designed with a focus on both aesthetics and functionality, these bar stools are particularly well suited for patios, balconies, or outdoor kitchen areas. At first glance, one might notice the sleek aluminum frame which gives the stools a contemporary appeal. The metallic finish not only enhances their visual charm but also offers resistance to rust and corrosion, making them an ideal choice for all weather conditions. The stools have a height of 31 inches, which is standard for bar seating, ensuring they can fit comfortably around most bar height tables or counters. One of the notable features of these stools is their lightweight design. Weighing significantly less than many traditional wooden or heavy metal alternatives, they can be easily moved around, allowing for flexible seating arrangements. This can be particularly useful for gatherings where seating needs may shift, as well as for those who may want to rearrange their outdoor space frequently. The seat itself is designed with comfort in mind. While the stools do not come with cushions, the contoured seat shape promotes a comfortable sitting experience. Users might appreciate the openness of the seat, which can help keep cool during warm weather, an essential feature for outdoor settings. Additionally, the rounded edges contribute to a sleek profile, reducing the likelihood of sharp corners that could pose a hazard. In terms of maintenance, the aluminum construction means that these stools are relatively easy to clean. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is often all that is required to keep them looking fresh and inviting. This ease of upkeep can be particularly advantageous for those who host outdoor events or family gatherings, as it minimizes the time spent on cleaning and allows more focus on enjoyment. In conclusion, the Purple Leaf Outdoor Barstools set of 2 exemplifies a blend of style and practicality. With their modern aluminum design, lightweight structure, and comfortable seating, they serve as a versatile addition to outdoor living spaces. As you consider options for enhancing your patio or outdoor area, these stools might represent a thoughtful choice for both functionality and aesthetics.